Good afternoon. This is Aaron Shapiro of the Shapiro Law Firm, and this is What You Really Want to Know. I'm here with some big news. Finally, New York has legalized marijuana, but there's some caveats. For the state of New York law, the marijuana legalization means basically you can smoke marijuana wherever you can smoke a cigarette. But if you're a New York person, you're going to know there's not that many places you can smoke a cigarette. Can't smoke in the park, can't smoke in a restaurant, can't smoke inside most buildings, can't smoke in public housing, a lot of different places. So what does this mean for immigration? Well, first, New York is state law. Immigration is federal law. Federal law prohibits the use or sale of marijuana. It's a controlled substance. If you have a marijuana conviction, it's a problem. If you don't have a marijuana conviction, but there are facts that support it, it's a problem.
What do you mean by that?
It means if you have a prior conviction and it gets expunged under this new law, New York is going to be expunging previous convictions that would not be illegal under the new law, which is pretty cool. But for immigration purposes, it doesn't actually do anything. The reason is quite simple. Immigration does not need a conviction. Immigration just needs facts that lead and tend to show that you violated a crime. So, or not that you violated a crime, but that you were in possession of marijuana. Because in New York, it's not a crime. So what that really means is, even though it sounds like really big, exciting news that New York has legalized marijuana, and it is, it doesn't mean that it changes anything for immigration purposes. Accordingly, if you have any marijuana convictions, or if you have any marijuana charges that didn't even end up in convictions, or if you have an old charge that gets expunged under New York's new law, before you do anything with immigration, call a lawyer. We're happy to help. And that was What You Really Want to Know.